Okay, so you broke your rear seat latch. If you take this to get it fixed at the dealer, you're going to leave with a $250 bill. But there is a secret to these latches. They are ambidextrous, meaning that you can use the latch on either the left or the right seat. This is what we will take advantage of when repairing your latch. To remove the latch, you first need to take a small flathead screwdriver and pop open the cover behind the latch. There you will see two Phillips head screws that you will need to remove. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws. Once removed, the latch basin will easily pop out. This is what I meant by being ambidextrous. We are simply going to move the latch cable to the other side of the basin. So push the clip from the small hole to the larger hole so you can slide the catch lip out. If your latch has broken, like most do because the end of the cable is held by plastic that has broken, after sliding the lip over, the cable should now come free, so simply just pull it out. What I am doing here is making sure there are no other issues with the cable on the other end. Take a pair of pliers and pull the end of the cable. Hold the black rubber clip with another pair of pliers if this is too difficult. If the chair releases, then the issue is only on this end, and the seat does not need to be removed. Open the basin to display the cable guide cover. Notice there are two slots for the guides. That's because there are two possible connections. We will remove the guide cover. The sides of the cover need to be removed outward. Use a small screwdriver if necessary. It pulls straight up. Here is a close-up of the two small notches that keep the guide cover in place. Under each cable guide slot, you can see that there are two cable connect hooks. As you can see, the one on the right has snapped off and is in my hand now. The one on the left is still new. We will be shifting the cable over to that one. That's what I meant when I said the latches are ambidextrous, because the right hook is used for the right seat and the left hook is used when you install the basin on the left seat. You can use either hook interchangeably, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to swap it to the other hook. Start by switching the black cable guide into the opposite retaining slot on the back of the basin. Ensure it is pushed all the way to the right and is locked into place between the two black cable support guides. This next step can get frustrating and be a bit tricky at the same time. You will need two flathead screwdrivers and a set of needle nose pliers. Grab your needle nose pliers and take the cable and feed it into the hook. You will need to keep the latch semi-closed to accomplish this, so it might get awkward. Once the cable is through the hook, use a pair of flathead screwdrivers to apply pressure to both sides evenly to snap it up into the retaining position. If you do this correctly, you will hear a pop or like a snap as it clicks into place. Use the guide cap holders as leverage. They will bend a little, but when you put your guide back on, they will retake their shape, so don't really worry about that right now. Now snap the cable guide cover back into position. Ensure the cable has entered one of the slots before you try to close up the latch. Simply align the basin with the holes and replace your original retaining screws. Snap your cover back into position and you're all done. Basically a 20-minute job that just saved you $250. Just like new, your seat is back in action. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.